for Toby Rojas. Let's give her a big round of applause. Come on.
Attended this seminar, okay? So, for my students, no, andyan sila. So, kahapon pa lang kayo na-post yung list of names because I also asked Sir Jojo to send to me the list of names. So, yun ang reason why I need also yung baga memo from the president.
Ba't hindi 12?
There's a need for you to attend this kind of seminar. Okay? So, welcome sa lahat ng mga estudyante. So, I do not know yung dito, pero yung mga dito sa kabila, mga students ko before. So, welcome dito sa seminar and I hope na you will listen sa speaker. Kasi kailangan talaga to. At the end of this seminar, may sasabihin sila in case na if you have some clarifications or maybe suggestions, no? Pwede naman sa ito, no? You can also ask the speaker, okay? So, welcome and good morning.
Thank you so much. It was Dr. Toby Bayo. It really is important why we work together, we collaborate. And she spotted with the presence of our her students in art appreciation. That's really is something we appreciate. Thank you very much for the participation, folks. That we look forward to working further in the future. Like in terms of enhancing what we can offer in the classroom, we can enhance that with things like this. We call it several workshop, pero nagiging shorter. Supposedly one whole day ito, but there's another group that will come in this afternoon, the ST. So si Ma'am Berhada requested na pwede half-half na lang. Half morning session na lang sa atin yung sa afternoon. So we can wait for that. So it's really, we do away with the workshop anymore because we have a very short time. So therefore, we just have to focus on organic architecture and then also with performing arts, theater art. That removes more of the discussions that we have today. Okay? Of course, this is really important because one thing is it's part of the course, and another is it's also stated in the vision of WIMSU. It says here that WIMSU wants to be ecologically responsible, okay? Or is responsive to ecological issues. Okay? So anything that happens, especially for a university like WIMSU, it is essential that we, the faculty, along with the students, are well informed and committed and can be relied upon in terms of advocacy towards environment. Okay? Kasi university tayo eh. We are the source of information, knowledge, and skills development. Alright? So our government is really relying upon these universities because we can be catalyst for change. We can be catalyst for enhancement. Catalyst for helping solve the problems that is confronting us with climate change. Okay? Because the universities engage in information dissemination, just like this one. Very good. Okay. The university engaged in research that some of our students and some of our faculty are doing research about environment.